like smooth?
Yeah, fiberglass resin.
Fiberglass resin.
I work in fiberglass.
Want this at all or no? Oh, okay.
It's all his.
Resilient Sounds?
Yeah.
All right. You're on Team Resilient Sounds. All right. Big Zach. Okay. What's your name and what all's in here?
Zach. My name's Zach Jonas. It's 2 gold 15s. The
Gold series.
Yeah,
Okay.
the 1000 RMS.
Okay.
Shark 3500.
Yeah, where's your amp at? Let me go look at it.
Working up a little amp rack.
That's all right. Hey, it's better than nothing, man. It works.
Yeah, I had it worked up there a little bit last night. I just ran out of time.
Okay. What's this tuned to?
36 year old.
Oh, sure. I appreciate it.
It's like 36.
Okay. You got it like smooth?
Yeah, fiberglass resin.
Fiberglass resin. Okay.
I work in fiberglass.
Did you do that in the inside as well?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I built it and I took it to work.
Yeah.
And
oh, okay.
I work in fiberglass. We waste like a half a gallon of resin every time I do a run.
I can believe it. Really, yeah.
So I just smeared it on my box.
Okay.
Made it pretty stout.
Yeah, it looks good. How big is the box?
6 cubes. 215.
Okay.
That's after all the
Yeah. All right. What's your electrical like? Battery and alternator?
270 CES, I was trying to think.
Okay.
And the XP 3000 battery.
All right. Thanks, Zach.
Hey, thanks,
Yeah,
man.
thanks. Just make a quick video. I think it's
Yeah, no problem.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.